5 easy steps to speak in English fluently and confidently. Pipe English speaking tricks. Pipe. Step 1. Think in English why it matters. Translating from your native language to English in your head slows you down and makes you feel unsure. How to do it? Start by naming things around you in English. For example, this is a chair. I am opening the window. Think of your daily routine in English. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Practice forming short sentences in your mind throughout the day. Ow. Tip. Use a notebook to write simple thoughts in English. It builds fluency in expressing ideas.
Step 2. Practice speaking daily, even alone. Why it matters. Speaking is a skill. You get better with daily practice, not just reading or listening. How to do it? Talk to yourself in the mirror. Practice conversations or daily routines. Describe your day out loud. I had tea in the morning. Then I went to work. Use language exchange apps, for example, HelloTalk, Tandem, to speak with others. Record your voice while speaking and listen back to find areas for improvement. Ow. Tip. Start small, just 5 minutes a day, and increase gradually.
Step 3. Learn phrases, not just words. Why it matters. Native speakers use phrases in chunks, not isolated words. How to do it? Instead of just learning the word hungry, learn the phrase, I'm feeling hungry. Learn functional expressions, how's it going? Instead of how are you? Could you help me? Instead of help. Ow. Tip. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet to memorize common phrases with audio and examples.
Step 4. Listen and imitate. Why it matters. Listening helps you understand pronunciation, rhythm, and tone, while imitating improves your speaking style. How to do it? Watch English movies, YouTube videos, or podcasts with subtitles first, then without. Repeat what the speaker says exactly how they say it. Shadowing technique. Choose short clips, pause, and repeat the sentence until it sounds natural. Ow. Tip. Mimic TV show characters or YouTubers you like. It helps you absorb natural expression.
Step 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Why it matters. Confidence comes from action. Mistakes are a normal and necessary part of learning. How to do it? Speak without overthinking grammar. Focus more on communicating clearly than speaking perfectly. Learn from your errors, but don't let them stop you from speaking. Surround yourself with supportive environments, friends, groups, online communities. Ow. Tip. Every fluent English speaker once made mistakes too. Keep speaking.
Final tip from Beer Biceps. Confidence comes when you accept your mistakes and still keep going. English is just a tool, don't let it define your worth.